Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about a really quick little topic called parenting, which you're going to find very useful when you go to do your main project. Parenting is when you can sort of link objects up so that one object becomes the child of a parent object. Easier just to show you. So you'll see here I have a lot of objects making this little body. The problem is let's say I want to make this become smaller. I'm going to have to shrink each one individually, and then I'm going to probably have to move them. It's going to be a hassle. So what I can do is I can parent. Now, I got to choose a parent. Well, I'm going to choose the head to be the parent, so that ball. And I'm just going to show you here in the outliner what I have to do. So to parent everything, what I do is I select an object, I hold the shift key, and then I select who I want the parent to be. Now, if you actually pay attention here, you can see that the first object I selected is orange selected, and the second object I selected is a brighter orange. It's actually different. The object you select last will be the parent. And now you just do this. This is the menu version. You go Object, Parent, Object. And it does say Control P, which I'll do next time. Once you do that, check this out. In the outliner, it shows me that sphere 1, the little guy, is now sort of attached to the main one. And look what happens now. If I pick up the head, grab Y, it moves with it. If I rotate, it moves with it. If I scale, it scales with it. That's the child and parent relationship. Now let me just go backwards and put them back. Let me parent everything in there. So box, eye, hat, and the last one you select, the head. And I'm going to do the hotkey this time, Control P, parent to object. Or you could have gone again, object, parent, object. And now they're all under the sphere. It might be nice at this point, you can always double click here and rename that sphere the head. And now you can see that when you have the head selected, everything moves together, it scales together, it rotates together. Really good for when you're trying to group things and you have to nudge them and move them, right? And that's really it. These are called children, and these are the parents. And you can do it basically endlessly, right? Hooking up these chains.